What's up everybody, for you that don't know me, my name is Chris, aka Mr. Grow It, and you're watching my extras channel. Grassroots Fabric Pots sent me over a custom 2-foot by 10-foot raised bed, and I figured I'd film a video of me assembling it. So this certainly isn't your typical fabric grow pot. They use moisture lock technology on all of their living soil pots and beds. Basically what that is they use a piece of waterproof fabric around the entire container, but they leave a 4-inch aeration strip at the bottom. And what this does is it directs moisture to better simulate the way root systems dry in nature. And when you water, the waterproof fabric prevents water from draining through the sides of the pot. It directs it downwards. And the fittings that I'm showing on the screen right now, they do send them over with the fabric pot, but I did have to go to my local hardware store and buy PVC. So I ended up buying 4 pieces of 10-foot PVC, pretty cheap. I think I spent like $2.50 for each 10-foot piece, and this is 1-inch PVC. I also need to purchase a PVC pipe cutter. I got this one from my local hardware store, but I'll provide an Amazon link in the description section below. All the products shown or mentioned in this video will be linked in the description section below. I'll need this drill with a Phillips head bit. They do include the bag of screws here. Once the PVC is secured in the fittings, I will use these screws to secure them. And then last but not least, I will of course need the instructions. Okay, so following the instructions, the first thing I need to do is size out the legs. So I'm just placing one of the 10-foot pieces of PVC up, measuring it out, and then cutting it. Then I'm going to use that piece that I cut to size out the remaining legs. For this 2-foot by 10-foot bed, I'm going to need 8 legs. After cutting all the legs with my PVC pipe cutter, I'm putting each leg into its fitting. Next, I'm going to size up the frame's crossbars. I'm putting a piece of uncut PVC through the bed's sleeve and cutting at the vertical marking indicated on the instructions. And I'm using another one of the legs as a guide so I know where to cut. After I've cut the PVC, I'll use this length to make as many crossbars as I need. In my case here, with a 2-foot by 10-foot bed, I'll need 6 pieces this size. After I've attached those crossbars to the legs, I need to size up and cut the remaining crossbars, which of course are of a smaller size. I've cut the 4 pieces of this size, which is needed for this size bed. Then I'm going to attach these pieces to their fittings. And lastly, I'll use the provided screws to secure the pipes in the fittings. On the instructions, it says you can use a mallet to seat the PVC into each fitting for a snug fit, but I didn't need to do that. Mine slid in without issues. Alright, everything is complete. Here is the final result. This bed is now ready to be filled with soil. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. If you enjoyed it, please click that thumbs up, and I will leave it at that. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, peace.